Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Escape Plans. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying our vlogs. So, in this vlog, we are discovering Ghent. Ghent is a beautiful city in Belgium. We drove yesterday from Luxembourg to Ghent to discover the history, culture, and of course, food. And cherry on the top, they also have their famous fest going on, where they have more than 3,000 bands performing together, of course, on different places. So, wherever you go, you will find good music, food, and of course lots of people. So let's explore with us this beautiful city of Ghent. So we started our day around 10 a.m. in the morning because Ghent is just around 300 kilometers away from here, and we are driving this time, so it should be around 4 hour journey. Hopefully we won't find any traffic, but before we start I wanted to have coffee from my favorite spot. So we drove to the city center to quickly grab coffee and something to eat. And then we started our journey to Ghent. The best thing about a road trip for me is the flexibility that you have and the view. I enjoyed a lot, and the weather is so nice today that I'm even happier. By the way, you can also take the train or bus if you prefer public transport. There are multiple options available from Luxembourg. And if you are driving, you can also take some rest in between if you prefer that. We saw multiple places where you can stop for coffee or a quick break. But we were feeling so fresh that we decided to not to stop, and we drove straight from Lux to Ghent. And just like that, we reached. Now, an important thing to remember, Ghent is in a low emission zone. That means if you want to drive here, you need to register your vehicle for low emission. If your car is in good condition, most probably it will be allowed. Like for us, it was allowed already. But no matter what, you need to register in any case. So that is mandatory. And if you don't do that, you will need to pay a fine. Fine is 150 euros. And if you are wondering how to register your vehicle, we are also sharing the link in the description. Second important point, make sure your hotel has a parking space nearby. We got a parking spot through our hotel only. It is just 2 minutes walk. I'm mentioning this because having parking from the hotel is always a better option. It is safer and more secure, and it is always a relief. We confirmed the parking in advance before even arriving, so we didn't have to worry about searching for a spot after a long drive. And also, let me tell you, the parking was available before the check-in time. And now we are walking towards the hotel. And finally, we have arrived at the hotel. So the check-in time was 4 p.m., but we reached quite early. And luckily, we also got the key. So we have already checked in. By the way, look at this huge space they have. It is a common area. So even if we had to wait, it wouldn't have been a problem. If the room was not ready, we could have just sat and relaxed here or left our luggage and walked around a bit. That was our plan in case check-in was not possible. But now let's go freshen up and then we start again. So now, if you're wondering how many days are enough to explore Ghent, you can actually take a day trip. But our recommendation would be to at least stay for 2 nights. You will have enough time to explore everything around. We are out and look at this place filled with so many people, so lively. I'm so happy to see all this. But before I start exploring, since I'm in Belgium, I'm not going to resist myself from good coffee and some sweet desserts. So let's go and find a nice place to have both. And finally found the place, got the coffee, and here is the dessert. It was delicious. I first kept looking at it and then I finished it in no time. And here I am, super happy right now. The music is amazing, the vibe is unreal, and I suddenly have so much energy. Or maybe I'm just high on sugar from that dessert. Whatever it is, I'm absolutely loving this place. So lively, so beautiful, and full of characters. We even saw people taking boat rides, and look at them, all smiles with those funny horns on their heads. But we are not stopping here. Let's keep exploring. I'll show you as much as possible the music, the fun, and all the little surprises waiting at every corner. Let's go. So many artists, so many types of music, and it feels like the entire city is singing. You can't help but stop, listen, and smile. And then I saw this huge carnival at the corner. I just couldn't stop myself and had to jump right in. And by the way, I didn't stop. I even played few games. Don't ask me if I won or lost, but honestly, I had so much fun, and I think that's what matters. And now, as I told you guys earlier, so many people were taking the boat ride. So I thought, why not? I tried too. It was just 10 euros per person, and honestly, totally worth it. Throughout the ride, we saw some beautiful views of the city and then passed by some amazing bars and restaurants. We even picked one for our dinner later. The ride came with a guide, so we got to learn a bit about the history of Ghent. After all the walking, it felt so good to just sit back, enjoy the breeze, and take it all in. Definitely a moment to remember. As soon as our boat entered the heart of the city, the vibe completely shifted. It was all cheerful, we could hear music coming from everywhere, and the people around were so lively and full of joy. They were waving at us, dancing, smiling. It honestly felt like a celebration. At one point, it almost felt like a floating party right around our boat. And by the way, I also saw many people doing kayaki. So if you love kayaki, you can also do that. And we are back in the kiosk. I say kiosk because just look at the crowd. It is getting busier and busier every minute. So many people everywhere walking around, laughing, talking. It's honestly a bit crazy, but in a fun way. But at the same time, just look at the vibe of this place. It is so full of energy and life. People from all over have gathered here. Everyone is enjoying the atmosphere of Ghent. You see people exploring the city, moving from one place to another, taking pictures, having fun, and just living in the moment. It is actually so nice to watch. We are also taking a walk now since it's evening. And to be honest, I think I like it even more at this time of the day. The lights are starting to come on, the weather is really nice and cool, and there is still so much going on. Shops are open, restaurants are full, and the streets still have the same lively feeling. It is a kind of place that makes you want to keep walking and just enjoy everything around you. And I'm back to the carnival again. They have so many games. I honestly played many of them. And here I am again playing another one. It is just too hard to walk past without trying. So time literally flew by. We enjoyed everything around here, the walk, the food, the party, the music, everything. And of course, it was even more lively because of the festival. But believe me, even if you come on a normal day, you will enjoy everything here just as much. And finally, we are done exploring. I hope you enjoyed the trip of Ghent with us. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Namaste.